Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to get Geometry Dash Amethyst. Firstly, amethysts are reward items in Geometry Dash used to unlock certain exclusive icons, effects, or custom levels like Geometry Dash Amethyst. The main way to earn amethyst is by completing demon-rated levels. Go to the online levels section, filter or search for demon levels, and play and complete any of those. Even easy demons will count. After completing a demon level, you'll often receive amethysts as a reward. While rare amethysts can sometimes be awarded for completing regular levels, look for features or epic levels with high ratings. Some creators add amethyst rewards as a part of the level's custom achievements. Once you've collected amethysts, they may automatically unlock certain content such as Geometry Dash Amethyst if you're playing via custom servers or mods. Check your vaults, treasure rooms, or modded levels where amethyst unlocked content is stored. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.